Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset your Omron Blood Pressure Monitor. First, you need to ensure the device is turned off by pressing the power button, typically labeled Start or Stop. Next, locate the reset button, usually inside the battery compartment. Slide open or unscrew the cover to access it. Press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds to clear the memory and restore to factory settings. After this, power on the monitor and follow the initial setup instructions as if it were a new device. Verify the reset by checking that previous readings have been erased. If any data remains, repeat the process or consult the user manual for specific guidance. This method ensures your Omron monitor is fully reset and ready for fresh tracking. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.